Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Please take care of yourself children. Stay home, stay safe. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all for specially entering into 4th standard. Once again, congratulations my dear students. This is Reshma Madam, your English teacher and the class teacher of the grade 4th Jala. And I heartily welcome you all to online learning class of Sri Basava Public School. Are you curious to learn this way with your teacher? Yes, of course you are curious. Here you can see this is Periwinkle English coursebook. Looks like your 4th standard textbook. It has 10 units including with poems and lessons which you are going to learn for 4th standard. So today is our first lecture, you can see, and I will be teaching you a poem very soon. Before we start the poem, let us see the picture on your screen. I would like to ask a few questions. Look at the picture and tell me which season is it and which season is going on now. Yes, you just tried now. It is rainy season. It will start in the month of June and continue till the end of September. The months of June, July, August and September are rainy months. So we have a poem in our textbook that is called Rain in Summer. Before we start the poem, let us see who is the author of this poem. So, this poem was written by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow, shortly H.W. Longfellow. So, let us know about the poet. Here I can see the poet picture. Henry Wordsworth Longfellow was famous American poet, scholar and novelist. His first collection of poems was Vices of Night, which was followed by ballads and other poems. His poems inspired many artists and composers and were read not only in classrooms but in ceremonies as well. They were appreciated for their lyrical quality. Is it okay, children? So, let's read our poem that is Rain in Summer. Shall we start? Rain in Summer. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fairy street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain! How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spot. So let's stanza. Across the window pane it pours and pours, and it swift and wide with a muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter roars the rain, the welcome rain. Written by H.W. Longfellow. Wow, very nice poem it is. So, children, you should also recite this poem by singing. Now, let's find the new words and learn their meanings. Here you can see the list of the meaning of new words. So first one, fairy. Fairy in means full of fire or burning. Second one, clatters. Clatters means a loud rattling sound. Next one, tramp. The sound of heavy steps or a noisy walk. Hoop. Hoop means the hard and also called a foot of a horse. The sound, very hard sound of foot of a horse or cow. Next, fifth one, gush. Gush means to flow out quickly. And sixth one, spot. Spot means a pipe or tube. Seventh one, pour. Pour means spill. And last one, lane. Lane means roadway or street. So children, I hope you learned something new words from this session or class. So here the poet has observed the rain. So in this poem the poet has expressed his feelings and his experience, whatever he has observed in the rain. Okay, so we will continue the explanation about this poem in the next class. So today's your homework here it is first one, write the poem Rain in Summer and meaning of new words in your English notebook. So only one time. Okay. Next, second one, recite this poem by singing with your own tune. I know you will do this with pleasure. Is it okay, children? So, if you have any queries or doubts, you can call or text me. So, until then, goodbye, good luck, my dear students.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you
Thank you for watching the video.